the four most failed. They failed in everything. The four most failed content creators in the history of Igbo land, in the history of content creating. The four most failed content creators on Facebook. One is this one here, Prince Choose. Prince Choose, are you a blogger? Are you, or you are a musician? Or you always want to use people to get views? Prince Choose, Amadi Mebonye Ke, one of the most failed content creator, musician, analyzer on a Facebook. If as only in they even call himself number one celebrity will fail in everything. Even the music self he fail, content creating he fail, comedian fail, everything fail. Oga rest, Zoike. Stay one place. If you're a content creator, you create content and stay one place. If you're a musician, you mind your music and stay one place. You are everywhere looking for views, looking for traffic. Relevant. Oga, nobody know you. You are irrelevant in the eyes of social media. Idi konye wilale wila. Idi konye wilale wila. Onye nechete tudegi. Sometimes if your videos don't even pop up for us to watch because you fail to concentrate one place. You are singing song, you are doing content creating, you want to shoot skit, only you want to do prank. Oga, you be content creator, abi wetin you be sef? This one is one of the most failed content creator, musician, anything on this social media. Number 2 is Okongwu Dibia. Okongwu Dibia is one of the failed. Okongwu Dibia is one of the most failed content creator on Facebook. He failed as an errand boy as to native doctors. He failed as a content creator. He failed in everything. Okongwu Dibia, who are you? At this point in time, we need to question what you do in social media. Are you a content creator, or you are somebody who was once an errand boy to native doctors because that place no favor you? Content. Because we need to understand whether we should address you as a content creator or we should address you as somebody who was an errand boy to native doctors. You failed in everything. Even the small money they are managing to get in Facebook, monetization, okay? You failed in everything. The only thing you just try to manage to get is views. In to the views. Carry the Prince Choose. So you can't fellow na ihe views and done with once. Maybe he was the first to post that thing here with the views. Okongwu Dibia, stand well, because we have not started addressing you as content creator. We are addressing you as somebody Facebook na chopo. You are one of the most failed content creator on Facebook. In this Igbo land, you failed. Because I am a help challenge the native doctor fully. And may help challenge the native doctor fully, or you are still within the native doctor before we can start addressing you as a content creator. Do you even create content? Okongwu Dibia. Always yoku. On a chikota akoko maka the native doctor, but he still failed. All darada. Number 3 most failed content creator that is now addressing himself as a blogger, J-Pack. J-Pack never failed in everything. J-Pack failed in his own career. J-Pack allowed them to use him. J-Pack is now a cheaper takeover on social media, but he didn't fail as a content creator. But he failed as a blogger. He failed himself by himself to himself. He didn't fail as a content creator. On with the views. Nde mmadụ ma J-Pack. J-Pack ka Prince Choose mma. J-Pack ka Okongwu Dibia mma. But he's a failed blogger. Blogger na ama onwe ya. Blogger na nwe self-respect. Blogger na erelu ugwu ya. Blogger that have sold his dignity. He's now a registered blogger. You are failed. You a failed blogger. You failed your career through bloggerism. Lende ya na JPAC na chi joro ndo wa na ndo wa joro ajo. Ndo wa joro ajo webe JPAC na ge ki ya aka ga ha ga atokre. Onye ya na JPAC na akpa onye odekodi ya snitch, nde snitch abo. JPAC, you failed. Even as a blogger, you failed. But now, how do you want to wala sense? You have to wala in here waka. I'm at to wala onwe ya. Oba wala wing ya create original content ya. Number 4 most failed content creator, blogger. This one is no longer relevant. He's no longer relevant in social media. He's a failed blogger. He's a failed analyzer. He's a failed content creator. He's a failed MC. He's a failed comedian. He failed in everything. The oga patapata of them all. The person that failed the failure of the failure. The person that failed his career and failed himself. The person that have been failing. Even when it comes to dragging, he drag and fail. Even when it comes to hell, on social media, he will still drag and fail. He failed in everything. His camp, Palace of Justice. That one failed in everything. That one failed in everything. That one he's no longer relevant. He's one of the most failed, whether an activist or content creator. I don't know the category where he falls. I don't know how to address him. I don't know whether I'm a comedian. I don't know whether I'm a musician. I don't know whether I'm a cry. I don't know whether I'm a begi. I don't know where can Palace of Justice falling. This one is one of the most failed people on social media. I don't know in career for this social media. I don't know whether in the analyze video. I don't know whether in the fight. I don't know whether in the analyze saga. I don't know whether in the troublemaker. I know Palace of Justice. But what do you do for a living? Tell us. Let us know. You failed in everything. You failed as a blogger. You failed as a content creator. You failed as an analyzer. You failed as Onye Batramogwam. You failed as a person who drags people. You failed. Ogawiko, what should we address you as? Ole henga si no ihonya na-eme as. Because you are here, you are there, you are here. You just totally failed in everything now. Like now, pata, you are no longer relevant. What should we address Ken Palace of Justice as? Because that one failed and fell out. He failed and fell out. He's no longer in the trend. He's no longer trending. He's irrelevant. He's confused. He's hell. He failed and fell out. So, comment number 5 on the comment section. Once you don't fade out for this social media, and I go come analyze them.